of the voters of Maharashtra. We need, yes, with photographs, we need the voter list of the Lok Sabha election. We need the voter list of the Vidhan Sabha election. Because we want to understand exactly who these new additional... There is another factor in this, which we have also found, which we want to understand. There are many voters that have been deleted. Voters who are in one booth who have been transferred to another booth. Most of these voters come from Dalit communities, tribal communities, minority communities, right? So we want to understand this. And we have made repeated requests to the Election Commission. They have not answered us. The leader of the opposition has said this in Parliament House. The Election Commission has not responded. Now, the only reason they would not respond is that there is something wrong with what they have done. I am not making any accusations. I am presenting data here clearly. And I'm asking the Election Commission again. The three major opposition parties of Maharashtra are asking you for the voter list of Lok Sabha and the voter list of Vidhan Sabha elections. It is your duty to provide transparency in the election. It is not our responsibility to provide transparency in the election. So it is important that now, after repeated requests from the entire opposition here, that the Election Commission hands over the voter list so we can take our investigation to its logical conclusion. I'd like to just say this in Hindi as well. पार्लियामेंट हाउस में मैंने अपने भाषण में कहा कि महाराष्ट्र के चुनाव में हमारी एनालिसिस के बाद वोटर लिस्ट पे कोई सवाल उठे हैं।